Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the motion blur glow effect using the Hypic photo editor. It's simple, aesthetic, and perfect if you want to that dreamy glowing motions look on your photo. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Hypic app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the Play Store. And then just create new projects on the start editing sections. Just choose the photo that you want to edit like this, and then next just go to cut out this one, and then choose auto select like this, and then just checklist like this. And then now we will add a soft soft gradient background. Just go to overlay like this. You can use any color combinations, but in here I will use a warm sunset orange to give that glowing cinematic vibes. Position it, for example, like this, and then drag this gradient layer below your cutout subject. Just go to order and then choose bottom like this. Next, just tap on your cutout layer again, and then go to effect, and then choose blur sections. Select motion blur like this, and then adjust the amount until it looks smooth as you want. I will set it mine on for example like this. I will make it like this. This will instantly make your photo feel soft and dynamic, almost like it's slightly in motions. And then now for the glow effect, just duplicate your gradient background layer. Just go to background again, and then just duplicate it like this, and then go to blend this one, and then choose overlay like this. This will add a beautiful warm glow that blends your subject perfectly with the background. And finally, you will get that soft glowing aura effect that feels dreamy and cinematic on your photo. And okay, that's it. You have just created the motion blur glow effect using only Hypic. It's quick, aesthetic, and perfect for profile edits or retro styles portrait or warm orange fits. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.